Imagine opening your laptop, typing a simple sentence, and an AI instantly creates an image you can actually sell online. Not in weeks, not in days, in seconds. Right now, people are using a new AI image tool called Nano Banana to create digital products, social media, content, books, and even entire online stores. Some creators are turning these images into hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day. And today I'll show you 10 real ways people are already using it to make money online, including a few strategies that are surprisingly simple. So let's get started. Part 1. Self-publishing. Simple activity books. One of the easiest ways people are monetizing AI images right now is through activity books for kids. These include things like drawing guides, coloring books, puzzle books, educational worksheets. Instead of designing every page manually, creators generate the illustrations with AI. For example, a How to Draw Animals book might contain step-by-step drawings that teach kids how to draw a turtle, a dog, or a dinosaur using simple shapes. With an AI generator, you can produce dozens of these pages in minutes. Once the pages are ready, creators export them as a PDF and upload them to self-publishing platforms like Amazon. When someone buys the book, the platform prints and ships it automatically, which means once the book is uploaded, the system runs almost entirely on autopilot. Part 2. Visual puzzle books. Another type of book that sells extremely well is visual puzzle books. These are the ones where you have to find hidden objects inside a large illustration. For example, find the hidden animals, spot the hidden toys, find the objects in the city. Each page is a large, detailed illustration filled with small, hidden items. AI image generators are extremely good at producing these complex scenes. Creators simply generate a busy illustration, then add a small checklist of objects readers must find. These types of books can be produced quickly and scaled into full series. Many publishers release 10, 20, or even 50 variations once they find a concept that sells. Part 3. Selling book cover designs. Here's something many people don't realize. Every book needs a cover design, and thousands of self-published authors are constantly looking for someone to create one. That's why many freelancers sell book cover services online. Instead of designing everything manually, some creators now generate concepts with AI. They input the book title, the genre, the mood, visual elements, and the AI produces several design directions. Those images can then be refined and delivered as professional covers. Because authors often pay $50 to $200 plus per cover, this can become a profitable freelance service. Part 4. Brand kits for small businesses. Another growing opportunity is creating branding packages. Small businesses need things like logos, color palettes, social media icons, visual style guides with modern AI tools. Creators can generate entire branding kits quickly. For example, a prompt might generate a minimalist brand kit for a modern coffee shop. Within seconds, you can get logo concepts, color combinations, and visual assets. Freelancers bundle these into packages and sell them to startups or online stores. Part 5. Viral AI animation videos. AI images can also become short viral videos. Right now, one popular trend is transformation or time-lapse content. For example, an empty room turning into a luxury living space. A sketch becoming a finished painting, a blank wall transforming into a mural. Creators generate multiple versions of an image and animate the transition between them. These clips are then posted as YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels. If a video goes viral, it can generate income through ad sponsorships, affiliate links, and sometimes even lead generation. Part 6. Social media content agencies. Another way people monetize AI visuals is by running content services for businesses. Many local companies struggle to create consistent social media content. Restaurants, real estate agents, fitness coaches, creators use AI image generators to produce themed posts like promotional graphics, seasonal visuals, quote, posts, product mockups. Then they sell monthly packages where businesses receive a set number of posts each week. Because AI speeds up production dramatically, a single person can manage multiple clients. Part 7. Print-on-demand products. One of the most popular uses of AI images is print-on-demand stores. Here's how it works. You generate an image, upload it onto products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and list those products on marketplaces like Etsy or When someone buys an item, a supplier prints the design and ships it directly to the customer. You keep the profit margin. Some simple designs can end up selling hundreds or thousands of times. Part 8. Custom AI portraits. Another profitable niche is custom portraits. These are personalized images based on a customer's photo. For example, turning a pet into a medieval king, turning someone into an astronaut, anime-style portraits, cartoon family portraits. Customers send a photo. Creators run it through AI with a specific style prompt, then deliver the finished image as a digital file or printed poster. Because each piece is personalized, people are often willing to pay premium prices. Part 9. Digital download art. Many people are also selling digital artwork downloads. Instead of shipping physical products, they sell files customers can print themselves. Examples include wall art, motivational posters, nursery decorations, abstract art sets. Once the file is uploaded to an online store, it can sell repeatedly without any additional work. This makes digital products extremely scalable. Part 10. Creating unique niche designs. The most successful AI creators usually don't just copy existing ideas. They combine creativity with niche targeting. For example, instead of generic pet portraits, someone might specialize in pets as movie characters, pets as historical figures, pets as sports players. By focusing on a unique concept, stores can stand out in crowded marketplaces, and sometimes a single clever idea can turn into thousands of sales. Final message: AI image tools are changing how quickly people can create products. Things that once required expensive designers or large teams can now be produced by a single creator with the right workflow. Of course, that doesn't mean everything will work instantly. Success still comes from experimentation, testing ideas, finding niches, and improving your designs over time. But one thing is clear: the barrier to creating and selling visual products online has never been lower. And for people willing to learn these tools early, there are still many opportunities. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more ideas on how AI can help you build online income streams, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you found this useful, leave a like. It really helps the video reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.